this problem, we want to determine continuity of the function. We got f of x is equal to 5 over x squared minus 25. Now here we got a rational function. Rational means you got a single fraction. Specifically, you got a variable in the denominator. And if you have that, what you do is we're going to find out where it's discontinuous first. So I'm going to set the x squared minus 25 equal to 0. Two different ways you could solve this. You can factor it and use the zero factor property, or you can use square root property. I'm going to use the square root property. Square root property works out nice if you don't have your middle term. See, I have the x squared and I have the number, but I don't have like an x. Well, I'm going to take the negative 25, move it to the right side. Anytime you move anything across equals, the sign changes. It becomes a positive 25. Square root property says if you got something squared equal to something else, you drop your squared and you put a plus or minus square root around the other side. Now we want to simplify that radical. 25 is 5 times 5. And remember, the square root, we're looking for a pair of somethings. Well, here's a pair of 5s. So a pair of 5s is going to come out in front. Now there's nothing left inside the radical, so it's going to disappear. So we get x is equal to plus or minus 5. This is where it's discontinuous. If I put 5 up here, 5 squared is 25, minus 25 is 0. So these are the values that cause that to equal 0. Now to find out where it's continuous, we write it this way. We start with negative infinity, comma, we go to our smallest number, which is negative 5. Then union, our smallest number to our next number, which is positive 5. Union, positive 5 to positive infinity. So that's how you write the same thing as that. And that would be your answer. Now you could write that another way. You could write x cannot equal to plus or minus 5. And that says all x values except for that. I don't care which way you write it.